In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix D3D11 compatible GPU error when you try to launch Fortnite, but you can get this error when you try to launch any game. One of the reasons you are getting this error might be because your Windows are not up to date. To check do you have any pending Windows updates, click on Start and select Settings. Here, click on Update and Security, and then select Check for Updates. After checking, install any updates that Windows might offer you down here, and then restart your PC. Launch Fortnite and see do you still getting this D3D11 error message. Your outdated graphic card driver can also cause this error, so you always need to have latest driver installed for your GPU. To check for new drivers, right-click on Start and here select Device Manager. Expand Display Adapters. Right-click on your display adapter and select Update Driver. Here, click Search automatically for drivers, and if it finds any new drivers, it will install it. This method is not that reliable, so best way to update your graphic card driver is to go to manufacturer website, find your graphic card and download drivers manually. If you have NVIDIA graphic card, you can download their software called GeForce Experience. That's what I use to always keep my graphic card driver up to date. It even notifies me when I have new drivers available, so I just open the app and install it. If you have AMD or Intel graphic card, you can also download similar softwares like GeForce Experience and make your life easier. After you updated your GPU driver, restart your PC and try the game. Next is to download DirectX from Microsoft website. I will leave a link down in video description, and when you click on it, you will be on this page. Here, select your language and then click on Download. Save it to your PC and after download, run DirectX installation. And just follow instructions to install it. After it's done, restart your PC and try your game. Next is to update or install Microsoft Visual C++. You will also have a link to this site in video description. When you land on this site, you will select this one for 2022. If you have 86-bit version operating system, you will download this x86 version. And if you have 64-bit version operating system, you will download this x64 version. Also save it to your PC and after downloading, run the installation. If you don't have Visual C++ on your PC, you will have install button here, so click on it and follow the instructions. If you already have it, you will have this repair button just like in my case. Click on repair just in case that something went corrupted with the current version. After installation, restart your PC and launch the game and see if this worked. Next is to scan your system for any corrupted files that could cause this error. Click on Start and type CMD. Right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. On this window, click Yes. Here, type following: sfc /scan now and hit Enter. After hitting Enter, it will scan all protected files and replace corrupted ones with cache copy of that files. You have to leave this window open during this process, and if you get message that it found some corrupted files and repair them, restart your PC after that and then try your game. Next is to increase the size of the paging file. Click on Start and type Advanced System Settings. And then click on View Advanced System Settings. In Advanced tab, under Performance, click on Settings. Now go to Advanced tab and here click on Change. Uncheck this option and then check Custom Size. Next to Initial Size, type 1024. For the maximum size, you need to know how much RAM you have installed on your PC. If you don't know, click on Start and type System Information. And select it up here. And here next to Install the physical memory, you will see how much RAM you have. As you see, I have 16 GB of RAM. Now go back here and multiply this 1024 with the size of your RAM. So I need to multiply 1024 with 16. I will copy this number and paste it here, and you do the same. Now click on Set and OK. And you will get message that you need to restart your PC so these changes can take effect. Restart it and then try your game. Next, what you can do is to force DirectX 11 on your game. Open Epic Games Launcher, click on your profile and select Settings. Scroll down and expand your game, in this case Fortnite. Now check this box Additional Command Line Arguments and here type A D3D11. Now try the game. If you're having trouble with this error on some games on Steam, you can also do this for Steam games. Launch Steam and from Steam library find problematic game, right-click on it and select Properties. Here in General tab you will have these launch options. Here you need to type -DX11. Close this window and launch the game. If you maybe have integrated GPU on your PC that doesn't support DirectX 11, you can try to disable it. Right-click on Start and select Device Manager. Expand Display Adapters and here you will see your integrated graphic adapter if you have one. Right-click on it and select Disable. Just make sure that you don't disable this one. I really tried my best to find all possible solutions for this A3D11 compatible GPU error. If any of them worked for you, please give this video a like. If you want to buy me a cup of coffee, you can always hit thanks button. Subscribe to my channel with the bell on for more videos like this one. Until then, stay safe and I see you all.